have 7 kids. If you had told me 13 years ago when I was holding my little baby girl in my arms that she was going to have 6 little brothers, I would have said, that's really funny. There's no way. But here we are, and we love it.
My family is very important to me. They keep me up. I decided to leave the ministry and start Holston IT. It's now 4 employees, and we service businesses with no IT support.
When Tim started Holston IT, the most important issues we addressed were disability overhead coverage for the business and increasing his personal disability income protection for his family. We already had in place the life insurance, and we also added long-term care insurance at that time as well.
I came in the door with Sylvia and a couple of kids, and Tim had stayed home with the others. He stood up immediately and said, I think I'm having my first kidney stone.
I was rushed to the hospital. No, I didn't have kidney stones. In fact, a blood vessel had burst.
The iliac aneurysm that caused the massive blood loss through his body caused the strokes in his brain. And as the surgeon explained to us, when you lose that much blood, it's just shock to the whole body.
The surgeon then told us that Tim had a 5% chance of living if he made it through the rest of the night.
When I heard from a doctor that my husband was probably not going to survive, I was thinking about all 7 of my kids and wondering, how could this happen? It was a little scary, to say the least. 5 or 6 weeks later, having beaten all the odds, Tim needed to go to a rehab facility.
Because of the strokes, my cerebellum was affected, so I have no balance. I had to learn how to be left-handed. I used to be right-handed, and my thinking speed is now off. The disability insurance that I took out allowed me to not worry about who's taking care of our family. It allowed me to focus on recovering and getting better.
As the owner of Holston IT, Tim had the largest burden of the work on himself. So having the disability overhead policy really saved our company.
Having a business and a family and whatever exposes you anyway, you're able to pay a small amount and have that risk taken off the table or covered. So the disability insurance is very important to supplement that loss of income that I have.